So hello guys, so welcome to Corporate House YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to look on how to create a K-mean clustering in Orange data mining software. So before we go to the task, so first you have to remember that if you have did not install Orange data mining tools, then definitely do install it in your PC. And after doing that, we will now look at then how to do the K-mean clustering with the help of Orange. So those who don't know Orange, so let me introduce. Orange is a alternate of machine learning in Python. It's a machine learning tool. Basically it uses the graphical interface to do all the tasks whatever you have to code. So basically in machine learning everybody has to code in Python. So to eliminate the coding part, Orange data mining is a just drag and drop software which will do all the machine learning tasks just by drag and drop or graphics user interface. There is no needs of coding, but you can do the machine learning process there very nicely and smoothly. So let's have a look. So basically I am going to create some random data points and then I am going to show you guys that how to do k-mean clustering. So basically in this tutorial we are not going to solve any k-mean clustering, we will solve it in the next video. So basically we will see that how k-mean clustering works. So to do this, first you have to go there and paint some types of random data points. So basically I just drag and bring the paint data. So you let's wait for some times and it will be loaded. So you can see that the data is being loaded. So in the paint data you have to double click on the round surface and the paint button, and after that you will get that there is some sort of interface is being created. So now what you have to do, you have to brush. So you have to brush the data points. So now look, just I selected the brush and I just click the cursor and the data points are being created. So let's create some random data points. You can see that there are some random data points are being created. So basically let's create some random data points here and some data points randomly created here, and some data points randomly created is being there, and some data points which is very far from the others data points, so there. So this is our data points. We will create some middle in the data points also to understand better. So these are the data points which we have created. So after creating the data point you have to simply close the paint data part. Now you have to go to the education part. So now if you open Orange for the first time, you can see that the education section will be not there. So how to bring that section? In Orange you have to simply select an option and then you have to select on add-ons, and when you click on add-ons, just like you install Chrome extensions, you have to install the education package. So I have already installed the education package. There you have to select the interactive k-mean, the simply drag and drop, there is nothing much. So after we bring the interactive k-mean, you have to connect the data points with the interactive k-mean. So now you can see just by drag and drop my paint data or data points are now connected with the k-mean. So now I opened there the k-mean and the new window is being created. So you can see that these are the clusters which is randomly created, and these are the centroids. So those who knows machine learning very well, they can easily understand this, that in k-mean these are the centroids. So now let's do the next process. So we need to recompute the mean to come up with the ultimate clusters. So now you can see that there is a small button in the bottom left corner which is recompute centroids. So we will do the same thing there. So as we click on the recompute centroid, you can see that the data points and the centroids are moved and the centroids are reallocated. So you have to click that again and again until all the process or all the clusters are come to a stable position. So you can see that as we are clicking on the recompute centroids, the clusters centroids are moving there and there. So we have to do this process until there is some sort of stability is at it. So again we have to recompute the cluster centroids, and then you can see that the centroids are moved, and again we are trying to recompute, but we can see that now in this point the all the clusters are being now stable, the centroids are being stable. So now there is no chance of move. If I recompute, there is no movement. So let's understand this with better. Now I take this there, and I put that red one, the put red centroid there, and these types of arrangement I have already created. Now let's recompute the centroid. You can see that the centroids are started to moving. So you can see that the recomputations has already take place, and the uh, centroids are moved, and now this is the new stable positions. You can see that in k-mean, so we all understand that in k-mean the distance matters from the centroids, and you can see that the centroids are now being stabilized or allocated. So for now, this is the process by which you can explain some sort of k-mean in Orange data mining tools. So for more tutorials for business analytics and data science, so we will move further with another sort of tutorials for Orange and Tableau, Power BI, etc. So do subscribe and do so.